I just love the atmosphere and the adrenaline that goes through you when the car's on. I just love battling with all my friends that I make out there, and it's just so much good fun. Kia ora, talofa. I am Raquel Roy Rowdy, aka Peanuckle. This is me, YGB. I drive mini stocks at Waikaraka Park Speedway in Auckland. So my real name's Raquel, but my parents called me Peanuckle ever since I was little, and it's just followed through until now, really. Rugby people call me Peanuckle, but at school it's Raquel, but anywhere else it's all Peanuckle. My papa's always come to racing, and he brought my dad and my uncle, so they race stock cars, which is the cars I will be going into when I'm older. And then I've just been coming ever since I was a little kid, and it's just been in my blood, and I just love the sport.
Seeing your son out there is just, you just can't explain it. It's just unbelievable. He's carrying our ancestors with him, and we go out there and hopefully we go and do the magic.
When you're lining up on the grid with your belts tied, you just get that butterflies. When the green flag drops, you just let it all go and you just go hard. You need to have quick reaction, and you can't be scared. So if there's a gap, you've got to try to take the gap and fight for every position. You just got to be really strong, and you got to trust in your car. You just got to be really smooth on your hands. You just got to be really strong and fit and just keep hydrated, because when you're out there, it's really hot when you're in the car and all the race gears and all the suits. Some of the challenges in the sport is the money. It's costs quite a bit to come each week and race, and you can go play other sports, but it doesn't cost that much to actually be there on the Saturday, but here it's just quite a bit. My mum and dad work really hard just to get me here each weekend.
Our people don't do this sport, and when we come here and we do well, it's like, that's the payoff, you know? Like, we do it on a limited budget, and we have the skill to be able to do it.
During the week, these heaps of sport trainings and stuff I miss, because I like just to get the car prepped 100% to come to each meeting each weekend and make sure every single bolt's tied, and just because you don't want a bolt coming loose and that can just end your whole race.
Whatever we do, we play rugby or whether we're on a soccer field, we always flow our heart through what we do, and it's no different here, you know. We carry our Samoan Māori flag, and everything we do is all about who we are, and that's what makes us special.
My ultimate goal would be to go race super stocks. It's a big privilege to be here and flying my Samoan flag around this track. It's just brought heaps of my Samoan family that never have ever been to Speedway before. They all come, and now they all watch and support me, and now they sort of like it. So, because I'm lucky I have this opportunity, because not many kids that are brown especially have this opportunity to drive cars. I just love it.